let's take a look at another example we have here. Sometimes they're going to give you the m and they may give you a point. Now what I like to do is whenever I have a point like this, I like to make a table because that's going to help me kind of organize my ideas. So I have my x, I have my y, and my x value is 7, my y value is 77. So I just put this point into my table. Now I'm still looking for my m and my b. I know that my m is 14. So that lets me start writing my equation because remember my m is my slope or my coefficient. So I can start with y equals 14x. Anytime you have the slope, you can start out writing your equation just like that. Now knowing that's important because now I can bring that up to my table and I can say, alright, I know I'm going to have to take 14 times my x values. That means I'm going to do 14 times 7. Okay. When I'm looking at that, now I can start to kind of do my math and see what happens here. Well, 14 times 7 is going to be 98. Now, I want it to equal 77. So I need to figure out, well, what do I need to do to 98 to turn it into 77? Well, I know I'm not going to be adding. I've already done my multiplication, so I don't need to worry about that. So I'm going to be subtracting that. So I'm actually going to be doing, let's see, from 98 to 77 is going to give me minus 21. And there is the rest of my equation. So using that table, we're able to finish off and write my whole equation. Okay, so when you have a point, put it on the table, use that slope as your coefficient, and see what do I need to add or subtract to get to my y value.